Actually get it to go into CarPlay mode, you want to hit this button here, which is the star. You want to hold it down, and then our Apple CarPlay will come up there. Now, for the best results on this unit, as you can see, if you use the knob, you can see it controls the actual unit itself. So you have, the unit's actually made by ZZ2, and I've done this car maybe once or twice already. I've done this car, actually this is the second version of this car, and this is a 2022. So as you can see, you have your ZZ2 up here, you have your phone controls up here, and you have your music, you have your maps. Now if you want to go back and you want to use like anything like you listen to OEM radio, you would hit the button here, hold it down, the star button, and it's revert back to there. And then you can go up and you can go back to menu here, and you can go up to media, and you can go to radio if you want to.